The bloody cops are bloody keys, the bloody keep it bloody clean, the bloody cheese, the bloody swine, the bloody drills, the bloody line, the bloody fun and bloody games, the bloody kids, the bloody blames, and nowhere to be bloody found anywhere in Chicken Town. The bloody train is bloody late, you bloody wait, you bloody wait, you bloody lost and bloody found, stuck in f***ing Chicken Town. The bloody view is bloody vile for bloody miles and bloody miles, the bloody babies bloody cry, bloody flowers bloody die, the bloody food is bloody muck, the bloody drains are bloody f***, the colour scheme is bloody brown. Everywhere in Chicken Town, the bloody pubs are bloody full, bloody clubs are bloody full of bloody girls and bloody guys with bloody murder in their eyes. Bloody bloke gets bloody stabbed waiting for a bloody kebab, you bloody stay at bloody home, bloody neighbours bloody moan, keep the bloody racket down, this is bloody Chicken Town. The bloody train is bloody late, you bloody wait, you bloody wait, you bloody lost and bloody found, stuck in Chicken Town. The bloody pies are bloody old, the bloody chips are bloody cold, the bloody beer is bloody bloody flats have bloody rats, the bloody clocks are bloody wrong, the bloody days are bloody long, it bloody gets you bloody down, evidently Chicken Town.